We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and we're looking at a 2019 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR in black. So riding this bike, the first thing I noticed is its amazing braking capabilities. Huge dual disc brakes with those Brembo calipers, and we have ABS front and rear as well. We've got the RNG frame sliders and the aero exhaust. Sounds mean. So much fun. We also have a lot of adjustment options for our suspension, rear, and up in the front as well. We also have the Rizoma bar and mirrors. There's that ABS in the rear as well. So this bike is a ton of fun to ride, maybe too much fun, maybe an irresponsible amount of fun, but it doesn't matter. It is so much fun, tons of torque. Just put an instant smile on my face. So key is up here in the front. There's a ton of options on the dash here. A lot of I don't even know about, but the big one right here is that odometer, 1,633 miles. Cutoff switches here. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.